GoPro 11 is exactly the same as Hero 9 and 10 Black. GoPro allows you to use all the accessories with the new GoPro without having to renew the whole pack. The only significant difference is the battery. The new Enduro Battery comes standard with the package, which transforms into a carrying case. Greater resistance in extreme conditions is another factor to consider, but be careful because some problems might still occur if the battery is so cold. The real difference between this GoPro and past generations is that GoPro 11 has a GP2 processor already used in the GoPro 10. It is an 8:7 aspect ratio sensor with a resolution of 27 megapixels. The battery capacity is 1720 mAh. You will get performances of a completely different level that require more energy. This Enduro battery does not cost much more than the normal one. Yes, it overheats like all other cameras, even the most professional ones. The action cameras are designed to be used outdoors. This allows all the heat to be dissipated and there are no malfunctions. This GoPro Hero 11 is compatible with the media mod and the old GoPro mic adapter. The 10-meter water resistance is excellent, however, waterproofness is lost and the risk of causing damage is therefore very high. GoPro Hero 11 has Hyper Smooth 5.0, which allows you to have an ultra-efficient stabilizer that does not fear any vibration or movement. As for shooting in the dark, these are cameras that need light and are not intended to be used in low-light situations. The built-in microphones are good, but they are unable to record quality audio at high speed because the rustle of air would still overwhelm any other sound. If you come from GoPro 9 or 10, you will notice some differences and a few more voices that allow for greater customization, but there is also a simplified menu if you are a beginner. GoPro Hero 11 is the best, but it is not suitable for everyone. If you are a beginner and want a GoPro, take the Hero 8 or the Hero 9 if the front display is a necessity. It is the first action camera to record at 10-bit, and it is the first action camera to offer detail and a depth of colors that closely resembles the best-performing mirrorless cameras. But let's proceed calmly and take a closer look at this Hero 11 Black, specifically for use on motorcycles. Like and subscribe for more.